están diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto la más de nada. Así vienes a mi cama, a mi cama.
In the heart of New Guinea's shadowed highlands lives one of the most elusive performers of the natural world. The transformation is astonishing. In an instant, the ordinary dissolves. In this quiet corner of the rainforest, the ancient ritual succeeds once more.
Temperatures. Here in the rainforest, beauty is not a luxury, it is survival, and the bird of paradise stands as nature.
In the wetlands of Africa, where water breathes life into the land, a quiet hunter moves with shadows. To fish in the bright African sun, the black heron summons its most extraordinary adaptation, the umbrella. But though often solitary, black herons will gather when waters are rich with life. Each umbrella rises and falls like a heartbeat across the wetland.
As day sinks beneath the horizon, the wetlands shift. Predators change. Light recedes. Under soft moonlight, the heron retreats from the hunt, exchanging the restless waters for sanctuary. As first light touches the wetlands once more, the black heron returns to its quiet rituals.
Within just 2 weeks, the chicks will transform from featherless nestlings to fledglings.
In a world filled with uncertainty,